Stephanie Renee. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the love and support. As you can see, I've done something different with the hair. Do you like it? I love this color. I did it myself. This is a synthetic wig that I've been wanting to dye, but if you want to know more about that, you'll have to check out my other video. This video is all about makeup today. I was so excited to share with you guys the new primer that I found. It's this E.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I love this primer. Loved it so much, I just had to do a quick little review on it. And while I was there, I decided to do a full face. This is just a light beat for the day. I also tried some of E.l.f.'s foundation. You'll see what happened. So I felt it was only right to use a few other E.l.f. products. All the links will be below. And without further ado, we're gonna show how this is lasting. Oh, also, you see, I've had my face done for like the past 6 hours and it still looks great. So kudos to this primer. I love it, and it'll probably be my new staple primer, so don't be surprised if you see it every single time. Without further ado, here goes the video.
As usual, I start off with a fresh face, and then I go in with my brow soap and begin to sculpt my brows. Next, I go in with my CoverGirl Brow Ink pen, and I start to really define my brows. Time to define those brows. Look at those brows. Come on now, sharp. Say hello to the star of the show, this primer. I used about 3 to 4 pumps and applied it to my entire face, and when I tell you, it just glides right on. It feels amazing. I waited about 30 seconds and it became slightly tacky, as you can see. Next, I went in with the E.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation in the color Caramel. And I really had high hopes for this. It looked perfect until... At this moment, I knew what was going on. It was not working. It was not giving. I figured I'll just blend and blend and blend. And maybe if I blend some more, it'll start to look right, but not so much. So I had to bring in reinforcements and come in with my Summer Complexion by Shein in the color Camel. And it started to look a little bit better. Next, I go in with my usual under eye routine with the Age Rewind by Maybelline. Coming in with another E.l.f. product that I love using is a Putty Blush in the color Maldives. Or is it Maldives? I don't know. Either way, I start blending that out with my beauty blender. Blend, 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 blend. And if you've seen my previous video, you know this is one of my favorite setting powders. It's the Morphe Banana Setting Powder. Next, I go into my usual Hit the Lights Morphe palette. Have you ever had that moment where you just get a random hair in your eye when you're doing your makeup? Yeah, horrible feeling. But we keep it moving like nothing ever happened. Brushing off the excess from my bake. Going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder, and I am just going over my entire face to give that airbrush look. Of course, a little mascara, top and bottom lashes. And of course, we gotta go in and do a little cat eye. Now we're going to add a little shading to the under eye to give it a little more dimension. like to go in with a final dusting before I put on my setting spray. And of course, we can't forget lashes. For my lips, I went in with my Lip Plumping Lip Gloss by Milani in the color First Kiss. And it was only right for me to top it all off with my E.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the color Sparkling Rose. And there you have it, the finished look. Thank you guys for coming back and enjoying my videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And I will see you guys later. Bye.